We made it! Woo! Woo! Nothing from Victoria.
It's just the mule carrying all the shit.
She is the pack mule.
Cooler's down, we're not moving any farther.
Fair enough.
Do a little running.
Yes.
What kind of ocean is this cold in July?
It's not that bad. Tragedy has struck. This woman's here has officially lost her sandwich in a vicious battle with a seagull.
I'm sad.
Seagull 1, Victoria 0.
Here, you can throw this at the seagull if you see it.
How generous, Vern.
That was terrifying.
I know that happened to me when I was a kid. It was
it really?
horrible. Yes. Show me your arm. So if we've learned anything so far, it's that twins attract seagulls.
It's just not our day. Seagulls burn in hell. Seagulls are nasty. They're like worse than ticks and mosquitoes combined.
I don't know about that. I mean, this is getting ridiculous. What? Get that shit off you.
Red too. I am very happy right now.
I'm glad. We just changed in the nastiest porta potty. How was it?
Smelly.
You made it far, honey. I'm proud.
Oh.
I got pooped on. They both got pooped on.
It's a good trip, but take me home.
What? Come on, ducklings.
Everyone follow mama.
Like this.
So we gotta take a picture in front of the sign. Yeah. I'm so cold.
Wowzers.
My feet are the worst.
I know. It was really bad. You can tell you'd stand on your toes. We had to get in the car to take refuge from the tundra that is Wawa. Who's freezing in there. It's literally an ice box. And Sarah and Veronica are like probably gonna take forever, so we just were like, yeah, screw it. I got a smoothie at Wawa.
I got a hoagie. This is my first ever Wawa hoagie. And it's really good. And I might have to hop on the side of Wawa in the Wawa and Sheets debate.
Also, look at my lips. They got sunburn. That's so sad.
When I get burnt, it's just a normal day in the sun. But you know that UV is high. When Sarah you get burnt.
Right? It was 10. They're literally taking forever. I've been recording for 4 minutes now. Get your asses out here, guys. Look who decided to show up.
Sarah was just nice enough to wait for me.
Our fellow tomatoes. Right, Sarah?
Weird in this store.
Very tomato. Now we have another hour and a half to go.
And I've gotten a BLT too.
Oh no.
From Wawa, and it wasn't this small.
She's upset. It's small. She's hungry. Darn.
Go complain. Wawa, sponsor this video.
They gave her mustard instead of spicy mustard. This is just a catastrophe. I can't believe Wawa would do this. I mean, horrible experience. Team sheets for life. Sorry, guys. Gotta get gas. And keep moving. Peace out.